Okay, so I'll show you how you want to make sure that all your contacts have a little checkbox checked in order for all your marketing messages, whether it be automated campaigns or announcements, are sent out. So when you go to your client list, and if there's any new clients added, or as you're adding new clients, this is mine for example, you just want to make sure to go into all your clients and make sure that under info there's this little checkbox checked, because this will allow for you to be able to send out an email message as a mass email campaign, even if it's auto-generated message once the appointment is complete, or once you've tagged it as a client, as far as would you write a review for us, that sort of stuff. So you just want to make sure to go into each one of your contacts and just double check that this little checkbox is checked. This one, for example, doesn't have an email address, so the email wouldn't even go out. But rule of thumb, anytime that you're adding anyone, just make sure that, So for example, if you hit new client, make sure this checkbox is checked. That's really all you want to make sure you do. And then anytime that you're adding contact information for anyone, just make sure to check it. One quick way to see who in your list does have that checkbox is to select all your contacts and then filter by the ones that have "I'd like to receive promotions," and there it will tell you how many clients have in your list. They have the opted in, and then you can just go in and double check to make sure that everyone has it. So that's just a quick, simple, easy way just to make sure that your auto-generated campaigns do go out and all your announcements. So when you're creating an announcement, it will tell you who is opted in and who's not. If you have any questions or if there's anything that I can help with, feel free to reach out. My phone is 206-676-8510. Thank you.